Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix various faults on this Ultimate Ears Wonderboom speaker. Maybe it's not charging properly, maybe it's not connecting to your phone. Try resetting it before you give up and throw it away. All you have to do to reset it is hold down this button and this button for 5 seconds simultaneously. But the speaker has to be on. So turn it on by just tapping this little button just here and the speaker will come alive. Now to reset it, we're going to hold down this button and this button for 5 seconds. Make sure they both click in when you do this because it can be a little bit hard to press them in. So hold them down now and you will have 2 notification sounds. Once all the sounds have finished, let go of them, the speaker will turn itself off. Hopefully then when you turn it back on, it will start charging properly, or you can connect it to your phone or whatever your problem you're having, hopefully it will be gone. So both of them now, keep holding them for 5 seconds. 1 sound, 2 sounds, and let go. And that's it, it has now been reset. You can see it's turned itself off. When you go to turn it back on again, you will see it will be the same as when you unboxed it to begin with. It's looking for a device to pair now. So hopefully now you will be able to pair it to your phone, or you will be able to charge it successfully now. If the video has helped you out, give it a thumbs up. If you fix your speaker another way, put it down in the comment section below and you will help other people out. Thanks for watching.